Box 21-22 Elite Basketball for JK. Good luck, Jake. This is the heat check box. Let's see. No regrets. No regrets. I don't think so, Adam. Alright, we got orange. Numbered, let's see, not numbered, it is Steven Adams. Alright, we got a blue coming up. Blue is Steven Adams chasing the rainbow. Man, these blues are nice, man. All right, orange is Mason Plumlee. All right, die cut is, oh, not die cut, LaMelo Ball. Power Formulas. Oh, where are the greens at? Come on, man. Zion, letter A. All right, is that a rookie coming up? All right, good luck. He has a basketball. It is confirmed. It is Kispert. At a $9.99 for the Wizards. No, I don't think so. I don't think people hate Harden that much. I feel like Kyrie's probably up there though. Pretty much everyone on Clutch is not liked, I feel like. Chris Paul. And we have Tony Parker. And autograph is Alvin Robertson. All right, next auto is going to be a good one. Calling it. Pen Pal's coming up. We hit 2 sticker autos, yearbook autos. Next one's going to be Pen Pal. All right, we got Jason Tatum, primary colors. And die cut is Zach LaVine. Don't you want Harden in a Sixers uniform though, Walter? I don't think anyone's gonna want him as a net though. And it is KD, not bad, orange. All right, this might be a rookie. Let's see. Yep, rookie. Come on. Come on. Ah, Josh Christopher at a 210. Josh Christopher at a 210. Yeah, I guess so. Damian Lillard. That's on you, Walter. I don't know. His time in Brooklyn was so short. I don't know if people really care to see. Is that a purple? I think this is a purple. Come on, be a rookie, please. Oh, insert. Oh, but it's Luka. 44 out of 49, purple. Nice. All right, we still got an auto coming. It's gonna be a Pen Pals. Pen Pals auto. Got an orange. Orange is Jordan Clarkson. Like, it'd be different if it was a Houston card versus alright, I think that is a Pen Pals. We'll save that one. And we got Brandon Ingram. Alright, good luck, sir. Oh, please be him. Oh, come on, no. Oh, so heartbreaking, man. That is Luka Garza. Why? Oh, brutal. I wish I didn't even show the team. Jeez. All right, that is it. Well, a little bit of thrill ride there, Jake. All right. All right, that is it.